Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video we will see what happened with XTZ and Bitcoin. XTZ pumped more than 9% since my entry here, but not able to go more up. Reason is simple. Bitcoin is dumped right now. I will give you update on it also, so make sure to follow everything. Here you can see after entry point price went above 9%. Whenever you will get any type of setups, if one setup is giving you 30% reward and 8 to 10% risk, then make sure to follow risk reward and targets ratio. You can split your targets likely 5% at first target, 10% at second target, remaining once you reduce some contracts from your holdings, then you are taking less risk on more contracts. It means if you are closed to between two lots, between 10% and you have closed two lots, it means you are safe. Even stop loss hitted here, you don't have that much losses because you already taken profits here in two lots. Okay, with this way you can take trades on it if you wanna take leverage trade or future trades. Okay, it doesn't matter which type of trades you are taking. Now let's talk about Bitcoin, what actually Bitcoin is saying and why dump is happened. Here you can see on BTC USDT pair, price not able to support this support level and price came down. What can happen next we have very good support here. No need to panic, it's just a normal correction. Good for altcoin will bounce in this way. And here you can see lot of money stuck in Shiba Inu coin. I have posted update about Shiba Inu. If you didn't watch it, you can check here what next move is expected. After that video, 30% to 40% prices increased also. Okay, so many bullish news on Shiba Inu token also. Volume is stuck in one coin. Volume is playing more than BTC in Shiba Inu right now, and trend is also going very high. Okay, now what we can expect if breakdown is not still confirmed here, we will wait for the next candles and we will not short BTC. Okay, wait for the just good long opportunity here 53, because short squeeze are happened more than long squeeze, so better to wait for the long entry and long opportunities here. For now, don't take any entries in high coin market cap coin which follows to BTC with USDT pair, because market can take correction here. Almost if BTC goes 10% down, it means altcoin will take more, 20 to 20% can take correction in USDT pair. Not talking about BTC pair. BTC pair will grow now. Altcoin small or mid cap altcoin with BTC pair, that pair can flow from this way. Okay, no need to panic. Once 53k 53.7k will be tested, we can have more like that and breakout can happen also. So don't be bearish on Bitcoin. Okay, try to understand all types of fundamentals and then technical analysis. Not only on the base of technical analysis we can judge market. Okay, Bitcoin is super up currency in world and strongest currency in world, lot of volume, so don't need to panic. And breakdown is also not confirmed here. We will not take any short opportunity here and long opportunity also. We will wait for the, if breakdown happens and 4 hour closes below likely 57.8k, then we will wait for the more confirmation. Once we see some correction likely till this level 52k levels, then we will try to catch some long position here. Until and unless support retest, I am not taking any trades in Bitcoin. I have some holdings in altcoins. I am also holding Shiba Inu tokens, not big bag, just holding 1001 Shiba Inu token, and it has given pretty much return in 1 month more than 8x. So it's not bad at all. You can consider how much profits I have gained with Shiba Inu token. Okay, I'm just reducing some position in Shiba Inu and holding for a long time because fundamental is too high and it can flip to the Dogecoin. On coin market cap you can check ranking of this coin pretty much, and trend is going very higher. On 9th position Dogecoin is there, and yes, position has changed. Let me check updated view. Here you can see Dogecoin is now went on 10th position and Shiba Inu on 11th position. Previously Dogecoin was just like yesterday. Dogecoin was on 9th position, but now it has came down here. Stablecoins price is increasing rapidly. When BTC price goes up, stablecoin price decreases likely 1%, 2%, 3%. When BTC price goes down, stablecoin price increases. Okay, no need to panic with this small correction in BTC. Make sure to follow all trading rules, fundamentals, technical analysis for better trades. Let's see in the next video. That's it for today.